Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator SC-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SC-300 is: what is Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator role all about? Your answer should be: this role involves managing identity and access within Microsoft 365, Azure, and hybrid environments, ensuring secure and efficient access to resources. Our next interview question is: what are the key responsibilities of a Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator? Your answer should be: responsibilities include managing user identities, configuring authentication methods, implementing access controls, monitoring and auditing access, and ensuring compliance with security policies. Our next interview question is: can you explain Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, and its role in identity management? Your answer should be: Azure AD is a Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service. It provides features such as single sign-on SSO, multi-factor authentication MFA, user provisioning, and access control for cloud and on-premises applications. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD Connect? Your answer should be: Azure AD Connect is used to synchronize on-premises directories such as Active Directory with Azure AD. Configuration involves installing and configuring the Azure AD Connect tool, selecting synchronization options, mapping attributes, and monitoring the synchronization process. Our next interview question is: what is conditional access in Azure AD and why is it important? Your answer should be: conditional access allows organizations to enforce adaptive access controls based on conditions such as user identity, device compliance, location, and risk. It helps improve security by ensuring that access is granted only under appropriate conditions. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between Azure AD B2B and Azure AD B2C. Your answer should be: Azure AD B2B, that is business to business, is used to provide access to resources for external users, such as partners and vendors, while Azure AD B2C, that is business to consumer, is designed for customer facing applications, enabling customer authentication and identity management. Our next interview question is: how would you implement single sign on SSO in a Microsoft 365 environment? Your answer should be: SSO can be implemented by configuring federation between Azure AD and an on-premises identity provider such as Active Directory Federation Services ADFS, or by using password hash synchronization with seamless SSO. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Multi-Factor Authentication MFA and why is it important for security? Your answer should be: Azure MFA requires users to provide additional verification such as a phone call, text message, or mobile app notification in addition to their password. It adds an extra layer of security, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Our next interview question is, how do you troubleshoot authentication issues in Azure AD? Your answer should be troubleshooting authentication issues involves reviewing sign-in logs, checking user account status and permissions, verifying configuration settings, and using diagnostic tools such as Azure AD Connect Health. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.